All right, hello and happy new year. As you can see, I'm on a bit of a hike. We did have to move the coach car back down to the end of the siding just because we've been doing a ton of track work around our shop area. All very much needed. We could probably replace every single tie on property. But without further ado, here's kind of a quick look in this quick video of some of the work I've gotten done over the past couple of months and the progress that's been made. So thanks for tuning in and enjoy the video. So to start off with, I'm cutting out the box that was underneath the vestibule on the non-observation end of the coach car. In a previous episode, we went and we cut out the actual welded-in door panel that was there and removed the old fuel tank that used to be in this car. This box needs to be removed because eventually steps are going to go back in as another way to get in and out of the car besides being on the observation end. On the opposite side of this in the hallway is actually the original kind of cooling locker that they would keep, I'm assuming, produce or items that needed to be kept cool in, and that is going to be fully restored and put back in. A friend of mine thinks they used to keep booze in it because there is a lock on the bottom doors. There's probably a quicker way to do this. Sweet. So with that big heavy metal box removed, I started cutting out some of the roof sections that were unstable and unsafe to walk under. There are enough roof sections for me to use as templates for rebuilding this coach, so it's not a problem to remove these fire damage sections and just dispose of them. So this box I'm standing in front of was what I think is a food warming container, or what they would put food in to keep it warm after cooking. This car was used in a maintenance of way service from, I think it was 1942 onwards, and was basically a bunkhouse as well as a place for cooking and preparing meals. Okay, so that's that's quite a lot of cleanup we're gonna have to do now. But there we go. No more. There we go. No more hanging roof sections. And with that, summer was pretty much over. As you can see here in the video, it's definitely fall now, and we are moving to the coach car to the end of the Y in order to get access to the tracks that it was sitting on and do a lot of very necessary tire replacement and maintenance. I want to take a quick moment here just to thank everyone who's helped me so far with this project, whether it's from getting footage like this, to helping me dispose of trash, to just moving the car with what you're going to see is the world's funniest looking switch locomotive here in a second. But it just really means a lot to me that just so many people have helped out, and I'm very excited to continue to see this project progress, even if my video schedule has been somewhat sporadic. So with the coach car moved and settled in its new spot on the Y, winter was right around the corner for us, and my brother actually managed to find some time in his very busy schedule to come out and help me a little bit. All right, so we're right back at it. It's cold, wet, and rainy today, so we're working on the covered end of the car. Turns out the welds here in the corner are really bad, so it's a pretty simple process just to cut them in half and break them up. Works out pretty well. Yeah, I'll just brace it a little bit more at the bottom. You want me to take over? Okay.
You take it too long.
Okay, second try. Now he has a proper grip. Hey. Almost. See if it breaks off. Okay, so that's you gotta wiggle it a little bit, yeah. Oh.
Why don't you punch through the glass on accident?
Don't do that. Oh.
There we go.
Okay, and that's going to be it for this update video. So obviously we got the big box that was under there cut out. That food warming hut that was up there is gone. And my brother had helped me cut out the bars that were in front of those windows. They are going to have to be replaced. Obviously the glass is all cracked. So thank you everyone for tuning in and watching as always. Hopefully I will be able to get more regular videos now that my schedule has calmed down a little bit and the holidays are over. I'm still trying to grow the channel, obviously. Welcome to all the new subscribers. I did see some people come in over the holiday season. But in trying to grow it, please feel free to share this video with your friends and other people who are interested in railways and historical restoration. So thanks for tuning in.